The $34,000 final of the Fan Hanover Stakes for 3-year-old pacing fillies at Greenwood fell to Breeze Brief in a Canadian record time of 1:55 and 4.
For Your Eyes Only races up to challenge Silent Cat for the lead. On the rail, Romantic Fling is third. 2 lengths back in fourth, Breeze Brief. Bubbling Brown is fifth, and Keystone Chick is sixth. Around that turn, Silent Cat for Your Eyes Only on the outside. Romantic Fling is third. And at the quarter, it's Silent Cat in 27 4/5. For Your Eyes Only, parked at the rail, Romantic Fling is third. When racing 5 lengths back in fourth, Breeze Brief. Fifth as they go to the half-mile mark, Bubbling Brown. Sixth is Keystone Chicken. Silent Cat continues on her way to the half-mile mark, leading by a length and a half. Racing second, Romantic Fling, and there goes Breeze Brief up on the outside third. Racing fourth for Your Eyes Only. Fifth on the outside at the half-mile station is Bubbling Brown. They're at that post in 56 2/5. Silent Cat, Romantic Fling. On the outside, Breeze Brief is third. Racing in fourth, Bubbling Brown on the outside. For Your Eyes Only is fifth. Sixth going to the outside, Keystone Chick. Silent Cat in front, Breeze Brief on the outside second. Racing in third at the rail, Romantic Fling. Bubbling Brown is fourth. Keystone Chick is fifth. And For Your Eyes Only is sixth as they hit the far turn. Silent Cat there by half a length. Breeze Brief second, 1:25 and 2. Racing third, Romantic Fling. Bubbling Brown is fourth. Fifth, Keystone Chick. And as they turn for home, Breeze Brief is inching up to get the lead on the outside. Second, Silent Cat. Romantic Fling is third. Coming to the payoff, Breeze Brief, Silent Cat. Romantic Fling is third. Keystone Chick is fourth. And Breeze Brief is opening up by 4. Breeze Brief drives away. It's Breeze Brief in the Fan Hanover Stakes. And she is home in 1:55 and 4, breaking Bartros's track record.